Empowering children and their parents or carers. Teaching children how to stay safe is one of the most crucial things we can do for them. Whether it's in their community or online, we must equip them with the knowledge and the tools to identify potential dangers and seek help when needed. But it's not just about the children. Parents play a significant role in ensuring their child's safety as well. It's essential to educate parents about what is acceptable, how to keep track of their children's whereabouts, and encourage them to speak up if they ever have any concerns. If you're looking for a way to educate children on body safety life skills, we've got just the thing for you. Our My Body is My Body program is an engaging and musical animated program that covers a range of important topics. So let's work together to ensure that every child is equipped with the knowledge and tools to stay safe and protected.